Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 36 Eudora Street, Unit 2, Providence, Rhode Island. Second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right in the living room area. Got your entrance over to the right. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Hardwood flooring. High ceilings. Fresh paint job. Right off the living room, you have bedroom number 1. Very spacious. Big enough for a queen set. Make our way into the kitchen. Plenty of room for a small kitchen table. Gas stove, refrigerator. Galley kitchen right here. Plenty of cabinet countertop space. Off the kitchen, you got bedroom number 2. Also big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. And also off the kitchen, you get the bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. Back to schedule viewing at 36 Eudora Street, Unit 2, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Show Mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click Apply Now and fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.